Hello, I'm Daniel, and I am here with Amanda, my newest piano student. So I am going to help her get acquainted with the piano and help her find the groups of black keys and to find key notes. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Excellent. So the main note we're looking for is middle C. The reason why it's called middle C is that it's located in the very center of the piano in all of its 88 keys, and also because in notation form, the way it's written, it's in the center of the staff. So this is middle C. Now go ahead and play middle C for me. Excellent job. She can pick up middle C because she saw my finger press it. She used one of the five senses, which is sight. And she heard how middle C sounds. So she was able to identify it. So tell me, is this middle C?
No.
How about this?
No.
Now go ahead and play middle C. There you go. So she heard how middle C sounds. She can identify it. And now that she's seen where middle C is, she can replicate it. Now we're going to do the black key exercise. So we're going to start with playing the black keys in groups of two. So we're going to take our second finger, which is the finger we point with, and our third finger, which is the middle finger. So this is how we play the black keys in groups of two. So why don't you go ahead and start with this group. Excellent. Now we're going to go to the next highest one. Good. And the next one. Excellent. Well done. Now we're going to go to use the groups of two going lower with our left hand. Good. And the next one. And the next one. Well done. Well done. So she saw the groups of two on the piano, and she was able to play them because she used the sense of sight, and she also used the sense of touch because she only needed two of her fingers on her hand to play them. Now we're going to use second, third, and fourth finger to work with the groups of three. So go ahead and start with the group of three closest to middle C. So we'll use our right hand to play the higher groups. So go ahead. Excellent. And then the next one. And the next one. Excellent. And the next one. Well done. Now we're going to use our left hand to play the lower groups. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So if there was a student who had trouble with picking up certain cognitive information, like how to find middle C on paper, but they were really good at picking up middle C based on how the note sounded, they would be able to identify it. So like I did with Amanda earlier, she was able to identify middle C with sound. If someone could find middle C on the piano with sight, they would be able to find the exact key where it is. So go ahead and find middle C. Excellent. So this is a good sensory method as well. So these are the ways that students with special needs can learn to find certain notes and to get acquainted with the piano by working with the black keys in groups of two and to find key notes using the five senses.